it's nice to see an improvement, a real improvement, you know, especially in front of the town hall.
I think if you look at the programme of events they've got planned for the next year, anything that brings people into the town centre and keeps them here to spend the money here is a good thing, I think.
It's a good place to bring the crowds in. So we have the food festival here, we have all that, and we get thousands and thousands of people.
I'm really proud to be from Accrington today. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. It's so spectacular. We're linking our heritage to where the pals marched in front of. It's a real strong link for everybody from Accrington and all the next generations, and to have that is just so special, it's untrue. And when it's not tucked away in a book or in a museum, when it's just here and you might be sat down with your granddad or your auntie or whatever, who go, what's all this about? So the pals, the history of our town, Accrington, that's a great tale to tell everybody about.
And I'm impressed with these benches behind us here. I think they bring a modern feel to Accrington, and I think that's what we need. I think we need more space for people to kind of gather around in town.
It's about the past, but also the future for Accrington. This square will play an important role, not just for the dedication of the lost lives to the Accrington Pals, but to the future prosperity of this town centre.
In a square, all those conversations can take place now just over a nice cup of tea, cup of coffee outside, and just remember about our little town has made a big impact on the world.